We are Group 12 of Senior H, and this is our cover page.
Our story is set under the sea, so we chose to name it The Fundamental Fishes of Nature. Our main characters are Gravity Whale, which represents gravity, Electro, which represents the electromagnetic force, Strongtopus, which represents strong force, and Sea Weak, which represents weak force. The villain in our story is Radioactivity, who starts all the trouble within the comic.
The 5 conic sections we used are circles, semicircles, ellipses, semi-ellipses, and parabolas.
So the conic section circle we used first to create the sun. Next, we used circles to create the windows of the sunken ship vessel. Lastly, we used the circles for the coconuts of our coconut tree. The next conic section we used were ellipses. We used the ellipse for the island, for the fish, for the sides of the palm tree, and lastly for the mouth of the volcano.
Next, we used semicircles for the eyes and mouth of the sun, the clouds, waves of the boat, some of the lava, and lastly, part of the tail of the fish.
Okay, go. We used semi-ellipses for the leaves of the tree, for the waves of the boat, for the tail of the fish, and for the eyes of the fish.
And lastly, we used the parabolas for the sand, the waves of the ocean, and for the birds. If you look at our equations, you can see that we use restrictions to help us minimize the overlapping of each equation.
So in total, we have 105 equations.
The 5 conic sections helped us creatively make our cover page.
It is seen in our project that we can use these conic sections as symbols or representations of everyday objects that we see.
Once again, this is our final product. We used Photoshop to make it more visually appealing and to add the characters and the title.
We are Group 12 of Senior H, and this is our comic cover page. Thank you.